expensive, you know that?
I judge demons a little bit, but not in a negative way. I just like extremely expensive things.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
Hey y'all, and welcome to today's maintenance vlog at home. We're going to do everything DIY, and we are starting off with some natural nail care. In 2025, I said I was taking care of my natural nails, so I'm going to show you my full process. I like to start off with a nail dehydrator. This is going to strip the natural oils from my nails, making sure that my nail set lasts a little bit longer. The next product I use is Builder Gel because my natural nails tend to break easily. They chip, they're flimsy, girl, they need some extra strength. So I like to do a nice thick layer of the Builder Gel all over my nails. And then something I learned from TikTok is you want to flip your nail over upside down. So you kind of allow the gel to form into a shape that's going to strengthen the middle of your nail. I don't know if it's called the apex, whatever, girl. I saw it, so I'm following them. Okay, I also highly recommend using a little tiny detail brush to get all around your edges and crevices if you need help with applying the product. Following that, I'm going to do a thin layer of base coat for obvious reasons. Every single time I cure, I'm curing for 30 seconds minimum. And then I'm going to follow that up with my nail polish. And today I'm going in with a baby pink. I love these Gallo nail polishes. And FYI, everything that I use is always from Amazon. And it's linked in my description box. So I did 2 to 3 coats of this color. She's super pretty, super glossy. And I made sure to put a lot at the top of my nail because I didn't want the white for my natural nail to show. So now I'm going in with a thin layer of top coat for obvious reasons, and before I cure it, I like to go in with a small pointed whatever. So this time it's one of those little sticks that they give you, and I'm just cleaning up the edges because sometimes when you apply the top coat you can't really see where you're applying it at, and I don't want a lot of added product on the side. I then go in with my file and just make sure that my shape is nice and crisp. I like my nails to be sharp. I don't like rounded edges. I like sharp square, and filing afterwards helps. Of course, you want to get rid of all the residue, so I go in with a little bit of alcohol. This also makes the nails just shine a little bit more because you're getting rid of all those particles. Like, you can't tell me that don't look so nice and professional. It looks like I got a gel overlay at the shop. Last step, I'm going to go in with some cuticle oil, and that's really the final product. Hey y'all, so nails are done. I love them. They just make me feel so soft, cutesy, and girly. So now next up is hair, okay? If you watched my last hair tutorial, I did trim my ends, but it don't even look like I trimmed my ends, did it? It's because my hair is too damaged, okay? So it's time for a cut. I'm feeling spirit of the moment. I'm feeling real like indecisive about this, but I'm not gonna lie, I miss my bob. I did this last spring, summer, and she was so cute. So we finna run her back. It's for the health of my hair. It's for the benefit of me looking and feeling good, my mom, because I look and feel too good when I have a bob in my head. Like, there's something about black Bria'Na, okay? And my hair is always just the healthiest when it's in a cut that I can maintain. You see how poofy the ends are? That means they are dead as a doorknob. And it's time to get rid of them, okay, period. These shears I got suck. They're from Amazon. They're horrible. Oh my God, friends, this feels like so much hair. Can't back out now. Look at that. Ew. Who wants that anyway? Ooh. This is the worst part about cutting hair. Like, it's so messy. I don't know how to hold on to the hair as I cut. OMG. This just feels too good.
Friend, I call myself locking in the bulb is giving Dora the Explorer. Dora, she's uneven. I haven't even done the other side and I already know she's uneven. But it's okay. I'm committed now, so I have to keep going. I'm gonna bump the ends so no one can tell. I just wanted that length and those split ends off. When I flip the camera and I show you guys like what my hair looks like at the ends, you're gonna be like, ew. You probably could already tell, but like, it's just ridiculous. I was supposed to do a twist out for this video and I quickly said, oh hell no, because the front of my head, which is supposed to be like the most important part, that's where everybody gonna see, it was just so stinking thin. I'm like, Okay, I had to go put me on a lippy just because that always makes me feel like I look a little more put together. I also did my baby hairs. I used this edge control. I know this isn't like a one-off hair tutorial, but I'm trying to give y'all as much info as possible. This is supposed to get really messy, really cutesy, really just effortless. So I'm gonna shake her out. This is cute. It's something about a blunt cut. It's gonna do it for me every time. You can't tell me I don't look like I mean business. I'm just so tea, so grown looking, so put together, a little mysterious. It's giving like a Leah vibe. I feel I ate, y'all. I feel I ate. I don't know what the back looks like, friend. Do we want to even find out? Oh, she don't look bad. I just gotta get rid of this. Not look like her eyeball spot. She don't look bad. She probably not even. I know she's not even. But I feel so cute. Next up on the docket, I believe skincare. Am I gonna do lashes? I don't know. Basically, we are about to dermaplan my face. We're about to get into some skincare. I've been doing this like routine for the past couple of months, and I feel like it's really been helping, just making me look a little bit more glowy and more hydrated. So I'm gonna start out with these Dewy Tree masks. I got them from Amazon a while back ago. They are from this Korean skincare line, and they are just literally like, they be dripping as soon as you take it out of the package. They're super hydrating and just really good to add moisture to the skin. So I'm gonna put this on real quick. So basically, before I get into dermaplaning my face, I'm gonna kind of use the moisture from this mask as my serum, because I don't know if y'all know, but basically I am on some medicated acne medication right now. I'm on some prescribed acne medication right now, so I haven't been buying a lot of serums and a lot of toners and all that jazz. I really just need my cleanser, moisturizer, and my ointment that I'm prescribed. So yeah, this is a perfect alternative if you need a serum for any day, girl, because she's packed with juice. So I'm loading up my steamer. If you want this, it'll be linked in my description box on my Amazon storefront, and it's under like self-care, I think. I can never take myself seriously when I have these masks on, y'all. What do I look like? Put it in the comments. I'm a genius. This angle is chef's kiss, okay? We're steaming, we're steaming, we're steaming. This feels so good. It's so relaxing. You literally feel like you're at spa. I'm not gonna do it too much though, because she will make my hair poof up. It gets hot, girl. So now that I'm done with that, and I'm gonna take her off. she leaves like so much residue on the skin. That's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and get me a napkin and get my razor. She has been cleaned, sterilized with alcohol, and she is actually from Sephora. I love this blade because it comes with interchangeable like razor blades. And I also like to do this because this makes sure that I keep my eyebrows nice and groomed. So I'm just going to make sure that my eyebrow hairs are laid down, and basically all I'm going to do is go down my face. I don't tend to go up because I don't like to go against the grain, and I also like to kind of pull the skin as well. Go around your edges. I like to style my edges exactly how I like to wear them, so I know where I need to go around, because I'm getting rid of these, what do they call, all the hair underneath my sideburns that I don't want, all around my ear. We need to clean it up, okay? So I literally just start going straight in after I'm pulling the skin a bit. And I just go down really lightly, really gently. And if you have any active acne, you need to go around it. Clean up the unibrow, child. And I swear, dermaplaning your face just makes your makeup look better. I feel like the skin underneath the makeup, it just allows everything to apply a little bit better. You just look smooth, you look fresh, you look clean, you look well taken care of. And I just go around the natural shape of my eyebrows. When it's time for my cheek, I like to pull my lip to the side. And I just go up and down and I get rid of all that hair. Ew. I'm a hairy bitch, so I feel like I be having to do this. And I don't know, sometimes adding a little bit of water to it makes it glide smoother because the serums can get sticky. And I feel like that portion of my face just looks so much more brighter compared to this. Looks a little bit more dull. Inside my face, are like towards this area I barely touch, but I do make sure to get that mustache, child. And I know y'all are gonna ask, I only do this like once a month. You don't want to do this too much because you don't want to mess up with your skin barrier. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my whole face, and I'm gonna come back when I'm done. I like to take a wet paper towel and go around my eyebrows just to catch all of the hair that I took off. And I like to brush them out with my spoolie just to make sure the shape is there. She's eating, yes ma'am. Recently I just did my eyebrows, like I plucked them in depthly. Like I plucked the out of my eyebrows and I trimmed my hair, so I really don't need to do anything other than brush them out. Shape looks good, and this is the aftermath of all the hair that I took off of my face. Ew, gross. So I'm gonna let my skin vibe out and chill, and then I'm gonna go with my moisturizer, and that's literally all that I put on my skin after I do this because my skin is sensitive. And the moisturizer that I use is La Roche, but I heard that they are going through a recall right now, so I don't even know if I can recommend that to you guys. But yeah, that is my dermaplaning routine, and the skin is tea. Let's do a little close-up. I have a lot of texture and redness just because I wasn't on my acne medication, especially in this area. I was off of it for like 3 months, so I'm actually glad that my skin looks this good because she could have went berserk, but I'm loving the progress. I'm loving the way it looks now that I have shade.